Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eco bricks at home. First, find a clean plastic bottle, ideally 1.5 or 2 liters in size. Next, gather all your non-recyclable plastic waste, making sure it's dry and clean. You'll also need a sturdy stick, like a wooden dowel, to help you pack everything down tightly. Begin by pushing a small piece of plastic waste into the bottom of your bottle. Then, use your stick to really compact it down firmly. This initial layer is crucial for a good foundation. Keep adding more plastic, bit by bit, and compacting each new layer as tightly as possible. The key to a successful eco-brick is density. You want the plastic packed so tightly that the bottle feels completely solid, with no air pockets. When you squeeze it, it shouldn't deform at all. A good target is a density of at least 0.33 grams per milliliter. Once your bottle is packed solid from bottom to top, with no more room for plastic, you're almost done. Securely screw the cap back on your finished eco-brick. These dense, reusable bricks can then be used for various construction projects or even creative endeavors, helping reduce plastic waste.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.